to create your own emojis on Google Pixel 11 with the Emoji Kitchen feature. Once you have your keyboard open, you should be able to go to your emojis, and here you can find the Emoji Kitchen section, which generates new emojis for you. And what you can actually do is you can use a couple of different emojis, and then you can try to combine them at once. So let's say I'm going to use this emoji over here and this wavy hand, and there is a chance that you will see a new emoji right here in the Emoji Kitchen. Now, in my case, it actually didn't work too well because I was hoping to get different results, but let's say I'm gonna choose different emojis. So let's say I'm gonna use something like this. And there we go. Now we have this generated emoji with the Emoji Kitchen, which actually combines these two emojis that I just used. And it is actually in the form of a sticker. It is not exactly an emoji, but it's a sticker. And still, you should be able to, for example, send it via Google Messages app. And also any other method, I guess, that works, that allows you to send messages. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.